Before time, I didn't speak fluently in a public crowded area. Now, in this 1 month and 15 days, I achieved my fluency. Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Hope you all are guys fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I am fine by the grace of Allah. I am Nahiduddin in front of camera. I am from Feni. First of all, today I would like to share about my journey, how I came English therapy. Actually, I belong middle class family. Last 2 years, I tried to admit in English therapy. Every possibility is mine, but unfortunately, I can't because my family have a 4 to 6 lakhs debts. That's why I didn't uh, admit in English therapy. Last 2 years, I tried to my every possibilities in admit English therapy. Last Ramadan, I sent a message English therapist WhatsApp number. They told now you confirm you seat. We give 5,000 taka discounts, but this time my family have a many problem. That's why this time I didn't take admission. After Eidul Adha, I told English therapy space. English therapy gives 5,000 taka discounts or not. I inshallah one day admit in English therapy inshallah. Now here I am a student of English therapy front of camera. I'm actually second month student. In this second month, 1 month and 50 days gone. My third level exam complete. I complete my third level exam. Now I'm a fluent. I'm a confidence because I come English therapy. I didn't speak fluently in a public crowded area. Now in this 1 month and 15 days, I achieve my fluency. There you come. You must achieve your confidence and fluency. I believe in this 3 month not enough for learn English because it's a language. You you should continue learn uh, any language. But you come English therapy in this 3 month, you achieve your fluency and confidency, inshallah. Now I am fluently speaking thousands of people, crowded area. Before time, I feel shy, very shy. Speak English, crowded area with my friend. Now I go to just tea shop. I speak. I don't know how I speak English with shopkeeper. Alhamdulillah, this is my habit now. In this 1 month and 15 days, I achieved my fluency. I didn't feel shy speak English with crowded area. So this is my journey. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.